Meet the LT-FUS Series, a fully modular outdoor LED display designed specifically for the American signage market. Its cabinet size, just 2 feet by 1 foot, perfectly tailored for monument signs, retail upgrades, and community entry displays. No more overbuilt structures. No more wasted cost. Unlike traditional steel cabinets that rust in coastal or humid zones, this cabinet uses high-performance UV-resistant engineering plastic proven to resist salt spray, sun, and moisture. With IP67 waterproofing, it thrives in harsh weather. No rust, no leaks, no worries. Every module is a complete unit, with integrated power, receiving card, and airtight structure. You simply snap it in. No extra housing, no complex wiring. Install it like Lego blocks, save time, reduce labor. The LT-FUS Series is designed to be versatile across a wide range of American signage scenarios, wherever clarity, compliance, and convenience are needed. Whether you're upgrading a church sign, dentist clinic, auto repair shop, or restaurant front, its 2 feet by 1 foot Imperial Size cabinet ensures seamless integration with existing signage structures, saving cost, time, and materials. And this is just the beginning. The advantages of LT-FUS go far beyond this. Perfectly sized for HOA signs, community entrances, and monument-type structures, where local ordinances limit sign area and height. Ideal for front-facing signs at local clinics and private practices, offering high brightness and reliable 24/7 performance. Highlight services, promotions, or vehicle specials, with high visibility and fast maintenance features. Compatible with common header structures and awnings, allowing smooth upgrades for menus, specials, or digital branding. In compliance with zoning rules in low-density neighborhoods, while ensuring clean visuals for announcements and service times. Resilient for long-term public service messaging, and built for demanding weather environments. Run digital promotions and updates efficiently with minimal power usage and easy structure mounting. Ensure critical information is always visible, even in harsh weather or around-the-clock use. Lightweight, compact, and modular, the FUS cabinet is perfect for truck-mounted signage and outdoor campaigns. Easily unify signage across multiple storefronts, with fast deployment and long-term durability. And here's the key. Many U.S. cities restrict outdoor signage to under 20 feet in height and under 50 square feet in total area, making our modular 2 foot x 1 foot format the smart, code-compliant choice for quick deployment without lengthy approvals. Whether it's one location or 100, LT-FUS delivers visual impact, regulatory compliance, and installation efficiency. Choose from P4.76, P6.35, or P9.52 pixel pitches. Get up to 9,000 nits of brightness and 3,840 Hz refresh rate for crisp content in direct sunlight. It's built with a fully sealed die-cast structure and pressure valves for extreme environments. So if you're looking for a design to comply with US codes, optimized for real outdoor use, and built for quick installation and long-term savings, the LT-FUS Series is your ultimate choice. Contact us today to get your quote.